Hi everyone, this is Kesha, and in today's lecture I will talk about what is C, history of C, structure of C, and so on. So I am request you please watch the whole video at the end, so you will get most important question, what is structure of C. Okay, then okay. So when I ask to people or students what is C language, then they normally giving answer like C is a programming language. But yeah, it is a programming language, but its name C programming language, so the answer is not programming language. It is not academic answer. So answer is C language is a general purpose and structured programming language developed by Dennis Rich at AT&T's Bell Laboratories in the 1972 in USA. So that's the definition of C. But what is C? So C is a structure programming language, procedure oriented programming language, machine level language, and case sensitive language. So what is procedure oriented and structure programming language? It means C have a specific structure which we need to follow. We cannot change the sequence of that structure. We have strictly follow that structure. So that's why that called structure programming language. What is machine level language? Machine level language means in Turbo C, the software of C use the compiler which convert our English language to machine level language and machine level language to English level language. Machinery language means binary language which is made by 0 and 1 numbers. So we cannot understand the binary language and computer cannot understand our English language. So that's why one compiler use, one decoder used in the software. That's why it's called the machine level language. And what is case sensitive language? Case sensitive language, it means if we use variables in C language, at that time we cannot use, if we use upper letters in the initially, then we have to use the upper letters in throughout the program, that variable name. If we use variable name in small letters, then we have to use throughout the program variable name is small. So that's why it's called case sensitive. If we use like upper to small, small to uppers, then it will give errors. So must be sure, make sure the C is a case sensitive language, so must be sure that you are right in correct variables. So execution of C program, there are four steps of execution of program. When we create the program, when we define program and coding the program, that time there are four steps of that. First of all, create program. Create program means when we write the program, develop the program, it's called create program. We develop the program in Turbo C software. Then compile program. Compile program is like I recently talked about, that compile program is the compiler used in Turbo C, which is convert our English language to machine language and machine language to our English language, so we can understand. That's the work of the compiler. So when we compile the program, it goes to machine, and then we, after the compile, the output will back to you. Then link program means we will use some libraries and some functions, so that function is included in libraries. So that time when we use that function, then the Turbo C is make sure that we must included that libraries on the program. So that's the create connection between function and libraries. And execute program means it's give us output, the final step of the program. So must remember the steps of the C language or C program. What is history of C? So there are four languages which is developed before C, like Algol 60, CPL, Combined Programming Language, BCPL, B, and so on. So in 1972, C developed at Dennis Rich at AT&T's Bell Laboratory. So that's the main idea of the history of C. So 1972, the year when it developed and when it developed. Okay, so today's most important topic, structure of C. So there are various types of the structure of C. So first of all, document section. On that document section means if we want to write what is the this program, description of the program, date of the program, author of the program, it is goes on the document section. So that part, when we run the program, execute the program, that time the document section is not displayed there. So it's for our information, it's for developer information, not for user. Then link section, as we talked, a link section means we will use some libraries here, and on that there are some function which we'll use here, so it's create connection between here. And the definition section is similar like the document section. When we will go further, that time I will talk about that. Then main function, global variable, and the global variable and private variable. So there are two types of variable, global variable, private variable. Global variable means if I will write a variable here, then I can use that variable throughout the program. I can use here, 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 anywhere. But if I will write variable here, then I can use only between these curly braces. I cannot use outside that because it's a private, so we can use in between that braces. Okay, so that's the difference between on that. Void main is a main function, main method of the C program. If we cannot use the main method, then we are not able to run the program. So must be sure you will write the main function. And void is the data type. So if we write void, it means it's written nothing, it's written 0. So if you write void, then it's good, not then there is a no problem. But that's the structure, so we will always use void here. Then function declaration. Function declaration means that's the user defined function which is the topic in the C. So we will discuss in detail after few lectures. So we will leave this topic here, and that's the part of the function definition which is connected with the declaration. So we will discuss soon. And executable statements, it means printf, scanf, which will discuss soon. So that's the structure of C program. So thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe, and if you have any comment, please write down on that. Thank you so much.